How to unblock someone on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to unblock someone on Facebook. So in order to unblock someone on Facebook, first of all, update your Facebook application and then log in into your Facebook account. So then to begin with, now what you need to do is you need to go ahead and tap on the try bar icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen and go to the gear icon, or just tap on the gear icon. Once you've done that, scroll down a bit, head over to the section of audience and visibility. Under it you'll be able to see blocking. Just tap on the blocking button and here you'll be able to see the contact that you've actually blocked. So in order to unblock the user, you'll need to tap on their username and click on the unblock button. If you're sure about it, then only click on the unblock button. As soon as you've done that, this particular contact will be able to send a message, contact you, or like and share the post that you've shared. So in this way you can unblock someone on Facebook. Similarly, if you want to block someone, then what you need to do is you'll need to head over to the home page and select the particular contact that you wish to block. Just tap on the three dot icon and after that you'll be able to see the block button right at the bottom. So if you're sure about blocking the contact, click on the block button. That's how the contact or the user is going to be blocked. So in this way you can unblock someone on Facebook. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.